Well, so today at the Integrated Storytelling Masterclass here with the thenetworkone members, we're just upon integrated storytelling. It's a vast area, there's new kinds of narratives, and new dimensions of storytelling. So we focused on some of the prime things. Some of the prime things are how do you actually break down your story in terms of making it modular, making it interactive, and being able to use it for experiences and spaces as well. And one of the main considerations is that the role of the audience is changing. Well, you know that already from social media, that people has a voice, but now if you're doing storytelling that's spatial, interactive, nonlinear, and so forth, you need to consider it also the audience and their modality. You know, what are they doing and what's the function? And this adds more dimensions to how you tell stories. So we tried out different kinds of methods and short exercises that showed how stories actually evolve once we add these dimensions of nonlinearity and real-time character development and things like that to it. So a good day with a good audience. I'm quite happy.
At least from my point of view, even though we're a storytelling agency, there was plenty of new stuff for me, new ideas, very inspiring. And the approach how Klaus took the storytelling was interesting for me. It's a lot of the physical space and all those approaches, I think, was at least gave a lot of new ideas for me. What about you guys?
Yeah, I think we found like some tools that we can adapt to our work also.
Yeah, actually I have a lot of ideas.
Yeah.
When listening the main guy.
And also how the workshop was built. It made you go through the thinking that Klaus was telling about, and it really forced you to go through the storytelling tactics, and I really liked it.
Thank you guys for inviting us here today, for giving us this opportunity. It's been an inspiring masterclass. It's always hard to find new ways to tell stories about brands and products, and that's what we do every day. But trying to imagine those as movie characters, as books characters, as real person, really inspires us how to tell stories in a new, different way. And this is why we're delighted to be here today, and we're very thankful to the thenetworkone and to Klaus Sommer Paulsen, who's held the masterclass today. So, it's been a great experience. Let's look forward for the next one.